Welcome back to day 3 listening spelling test, and in this video we are going to test about the most common listening spellings ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ always students ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ mistake ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. So 20 spellings. So just take your notebook and pencil with you and we start the listening spelling. So our first spelling of today's test is appropriate. Associate, authentic, boundary, changeable, $90, occurrence, occasional, opportunity, pamphlet, peculiar, personal, planned, practical, principle, cupboard, guidance, heroes, immensely, individually. So now let's check the spellings. First one, appropriate, APPROPRIATE, appropriate. Associate, ASSOCIATE, associate. Authentic, AUTHENTICE, authentic. Boundary, BOUNDARY, boundary. Changeable, CHANGEABLE, changeable. 90, NINETY, 90. Occurrence, OCCURRENCE, occurrence. Occasional, OCCASIONAL, occasional. Opportunity, OPPORTUNITY, pamphlet, PAMPHLET, peculiar, PECULIAR, personal, PERSONAL, planned, PLANNED, planned. Practical, PRACTICAL, practical. Principle, PRINCIPLE, principle. Cupboard, CUPBOARD, guidance, GUIDANCE, guidance. Heroes, HEROES, immensely, IMMENSELY, immensely. Individually, INDIVIDUALLY, individually. So ਇਹ ਸੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀਆਂ 20 spellings. So now let's meet in the next video with more 20 listening spellings ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ the most common errors ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. So you should also check my another videos on the cue card and writing topics. So hope you guys all like my videos. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care.